Sometimes clients come in and they are at the end of their money, really trying to figure out how to qualify for benefits and make sure that there's no interruption for them at the end. We provide a service for those clients that just focuses on preparing a Medicaid application and really walking them over the finish line. It turns out that there are a lot of complexities with these regulations. Treatment of the applications can change from county to county, and you may have different planning opportunities to save something at the end or just make sure that you sail through, depending on what you know about the local law. So one of the things that we recommend is that when clients come in, they learn a little bit more about what's available for their application, their county, and to just make sure that at the end of it, there's not going to be any hiccups. It's much easier to fix something while we're preparing the application than it will be once it's already filed. It's an important element of how we service clients, whether we've done pre-crisis planning for them in the past or they're just seeing us for the first time, that they can rely on the firm in a specific area to help them through very complex, very sophisticated application process and not have any hiccups to the end. So that's Medicaid application. It's an important topic, it's a confusing one, but we're here to help with that.